Alright guys, so it is another day here in Seattle and we are gonna go on a trip. We're gonna go to Space Needle. That's the icon of Seattle. We're gonna go to the highest, well, if not highest, one of the highest buildings here in Seattle, and let's watch 360-degree view of the beauty of Seattle. And then after that, I think we're gonna go to a place, I don't know the actual name, but I know it's a farmer's market na nandoon yung samot-saring tinda ng fruits, vegetables, different kinds of food, and even seafood. So let's see, siguro doon tayo maglo-lunch. So let's go together. I'll give you a virtual tour of Seattle and let's have some food to eat. So let's go. So we are here at the Seattle Needle Point, Space Needle, yun. Yan. So that one was actually built in 1962 and was considered as the tallest building here from 1962 to 1969. It has a height from the base hanggang doon sa pinakatuktok around 604 or 605 feet tall. So yan. We're gonna go up there, so let's go. Na 1961 siya actually na tapos, pero 1962 siya yung public talaga na pinuksan for the public, kaya yun. And yung sinabi ko kanina, considered siya as siya yung pinakamataas na building dito dati from 1962 hanggang 1969, kasi ngayon meron ng mas malalaking buildings.
That's how they build the foundation.
talaga kailangan nila ng tibay na base. It's really tall.
To the top. It'll take us about 41 seconds to get up to where the views are spectacular, and if you're lucky, you'll be able to see a couple of our active volcanoes, like Mount Baker, which is a snow-capped lone mountain that's visible from this elevator, and the more famous Mount Rainier, which you can see next to the downtown area. We also have two bodies of water in front of us, such as Lake Union, which is to your right and is all fresh water, and the Puget Sound, which is to your left, which is connected to the Pacific Ocean. All right, everyone, here we are at the top. Make sure to enjoy your time and remember to keep your mask on indoors.
Where's Mother dear? My Spencer, there he is. Oh.
two World's Fair Habitat, which we were built for. Directly below us will be Chihuly Garden Glass next door. As we reach the space-based gift shop, restrooms will be to your left, monorail to the right. Have a great day. Thanks for coming, everybody.
So we are here sa base pinakababa. Ayan yung Space Needle. Ayan. And we are here in the parang flower park nila. And it's open for public. Of course, you still have to be very careful. Keep the distance with each other. Wear ng mask. But nagtanggal ako just for this one. Mamaya isuot ko. Napakaganda at saka napaka-presko sa paningin namin lahat. Lalo na ng mga turista. At kami galing sa Vegas where it's nothing but dry, desert, talagang walang greens at wala masyadong bulaklak. So this is all parang nakakapag-ignorante sa aming tatlo na hindi taga rito. So ayan.